Fearlessness, the gateway to a limitless life. Throughout history, fear has been a fundamental aspect of the human experience. It is an intrinsic emotion that has helped our ancestors survive by alerting them to dangers in their environment. However, in the contemporary world, fear often becomes a barrier that stifles potential and limits opportunities. The notion that once you become fearless, life becomes limitless encapsulates the transformative power of overcoming fear. This concept is not merely a motivational aphorism but a guiding principle that can profoundly alter one's life journey. The nature of fear. Fear manifests in various forms, from the fear of failure and rejection to the fear of the unknown. While it is natural to experience fear, it is essential to understand that it is often a psychological construct rather than a reflection of reality. By analyzing the source of our fears, we can begin to dismantle the irrational beliefs that underpin them. This process requires introspection and a willingness to confront uncomfortable truths about ourselves and our aspirations. Steps to overcoming fear. Overcoming fear is a gradual process that involves several key steps. Self-awareness. The first step is recognizing the fears that hold you back. Journaling, meditation, and reflective practices can help in identifying these fears. Reframing. Once identified, reframe these fears by challenging their validity. Believe in your capabilities of achieving your goals. Action. Taking small, incremental steps towards your goals can help in building confidence and reducing fear. Each success, no matter how minor, reinforces the belief in your capabilities. Support. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or mentors who can provide encouragement and perspective. The benefits of a fearless life. Embracing fearlessness opens up a myriad of opportunities. It allows you to pursue your passions without the constraints of doubt and hesitation. In professional settings, fearlessness can lead to innovation and risk-taking, which are often rewarded with success and recognition. On a personal level, it can enhance relationships by fostering open communication and authenticity. Moreover, a fearless approach to life cultivates resilience. By facing and overcoming challenges, you build mental and emotional strength, enabling you to navigate future adversities with greater ease. This resilience is a crucial component of personal growth and fulfillment. Conclusion. In sum, the journey to becoming fearless is a transformative one that can unlock boundless possibilities. By confronting and overcoming fear, you pave the way for a life that is truly limitless. This journey requires courage, persistence, and a willingness to embrace uncertainty, but the rewards are immeasurable. As you shed the shackles of fear, you will discover a world teeming with opportunities, waiting to be explored. Remember, fearlessness is not the absence of fear but the mastery of it. It is about acknowledging your fears and choosing to act in spite of them. Once you become fearless, life indeed becomes limitless.